Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so Declan Rice will be one of the Arsenal legends. So Babako Komasakoli talk about the match we will go play against Brentford tomorrow. So you can of the opinion say Brentford, you can say Arsenal need to match Brentford's physicality to actually win, because when you watch Brentford, they are very good in some areas. When it comes to set pieces, they know they can play. They're very serious with that one, and they get some very good fast players. You remember they tell about Joan Wissa, they tell about Mbuemo. These are some of their key players. So we must make sure say for this match, if we won't win, this is going to be a physical battle like that of Newcastle. Though we'll get that animosity of Newcastle, but the physical side of things will always be there. So we'll see what in the likes of Declan Rice, Jorginho, because now then we'll fight the battle, how they are going to protect the back four, and also give Odegaard some leeway, because when you watch this match, you'll see the likes of Odegaard is coming back, so we will get that needed creativity. Brentford at the G-Tech Community Stadium, they don't be team when they play 10 men behind the ball. They always come outside, they'll carry the ball, come meet you. As long as like they get this belief, say as they do home or nothing they saw, they go play, you get. And then you can make them first go score one. They feel defend with their lives, so we need to be very careful. But another thing they give me solace, and the fact say Arsenal on their own stead, Arsenal they good away from home for this league. Everybody know that one. So me I don't fear. In fact, when we go away, we play very well. Sure, and they're confident because, and why they play like that? Because most times when we go away, the opposition they really play 10 men behind the ball in their own home. They will really won't come outside to come experience, because their fans will cheer them on. So we'll just watch how the match will unfold. So make Atata just listen to the voice of wisdom from Declan Rice. Say that and say, when I put all this physicality into consideration if you do in a match day planning. Alright, so away from that, so information we can hear now, we say Declan Rice has been promoted to the England leadership group to join the likes of Harry Kane and other people waiting for that leadership community, Maguire then. So now what to do here, so it is what it is. I wish him all the best of luck. Before you know, that is why I don't forget which Arsenal legend don't even talk that and say they see Declan Rice becoming a future England captain. And like this is the start. Don't join the leadership group. When Kane go retire now, before you know, they go vote Declan Rice or they go nominate him. You get the same thing for Arsenal. I don't know whether I need the leadership group already, but I know say he go still join. That one is sure me. Say he go still join, because you don't even need to do the leadership group, because they see the leadership qualities when they exude, the way the guy they display the thing, see the flow, you get the command, they tell people to do some kind of things, they lead. Because for West Ham, we know how good a leader he was. So I wish him all the best of luck. Maybe just will grow in strength. Alright, so Kevin Campbell will be one of the former Arsenal players and one of the football pundits out there. Kokoma psychologist say make Arteta actually starts Gabriel Jesus ahead of Trossard and Nketiah. And the reason is because Gabriel Jesus is a big dog. You get, when he plays, it gives us a different dimension. I say sorry to Trossard, because when you check the last few games, Trossard has been scoring, so in a rich vein of form. So they're out of place for people that they ask, say, make Trossard actually start for the match against Brentford. And if I remember, I don't talk about this thing before in the past, say, Arteta will get this dilemma of who in will start. Because this time say the Racers don't come back, play 90 minutes against Argentina. Normally people would expect say he will just stroll into the Arsenal first 11. But is he in form? Yeah, those are the questions. Why not Trossard start? The way me at the team go, why not Trossard start? The Racers come into the second half. Like, is that a bad idea? Because Trossard, he scored for international break. He scored the last few games to Arsenal play. So I believe say that form, we don't do anybody, because anytime you can start the Racers now come bench Trossard, that form will come up for anybody. So why not don't change what is working? Put Trossard there, let us see what he will bring into the table. Then if you don't come play well, second half, you flash in Gabriel Jesus. Now do me and the Sam. So I don't know to my own thoughts for this matter. If you were Arteta, the way things don't stop now. Who you go play? Having in mind say Trossard do an interview for Belgium. when they talk say in job now to dey make Arteta dey get sleepless night on who him go play and Jay say na him job be that. And na wetin dey happen na Arteta go dey confuse na if one write the team sheet say omo who I go use for here, who I go use now. So if you Arteta, who you go use start against Brentford? Alright, so you get one news we want to hear now for FIFA. We want to hear, I say FIFA, UEFA, we hear some news. Now the news now about Manchester United says Sir Jim Ratcliffe, if he actually buy a stake for Manchester United, become a part owner, he gets say they fit ban Manchester United for the Champions League. Now I don't know this rule. Now for the first time I read them, I can't understand them. Now the UEFA rules state that if two clubs with the under one owner, they fight for Champions League slots, two of them come like qualify because Sir Jim Ratcliffe, Niger Nice, OG Nice, waiting for French League, they did second for table. Now, if you buy the stake where you want to buy now for Manchester United, so you will be saying don't be owner for two clubs, Manchester United and OG Nice. Now, UEFA rules say that two clubs where they under one ownership cannot be in Champions League at the same time, because what they avoid now make the two clubs not go meet themselves because corruption go there. The owner fit tell this club say, hey, you make sure say you do own goal or make lose against this one. Like that is the law. That even though the chairman of the UEFA, Alexander Safarin, the come and talk say fine, that is the law, but in the future they may relax it. But we are talking about present tense now as it stands. Two clubs in the under one owner no fit play for Champions League at the same time. The only way, see what it will stop now. Let's assume say OG is finished second for France, yes, and assume say Manchester United finished second for England. Because of for UEFA coefficient ranking, England they higher in terms of access compared to French league. Manchester United will be allowed to play Champions League. OG will be banned. They will send them out, make them no player. That is the law. Then naturally the way they select them now, anybody for the two teams now, anybody will finish higher for your own respective league, now will qualify. So that is another thing. So me, I just hear that for the first time. Like I never hear this law before. I don't know how many of them are they aware. Say two clubs they under one owner, no fit play for Champions League at the same time. Me, I just hear about. But you watch as things go unfold because you never can tell. Kroenke fit still go buy one other club later in the future. You get that's why I keep abreast of all these new developments and restrictions. Alright, Chris Sutton come and say this Brentford match where Arsenal won't play. So it's not go dey easy. As Arsenal fans they think you get say it will not be very easy. Say the way they see the match, it go dey tough. You get though Papa don't really talk who go win or who no go win, but you know they talk say waiting they see for that match they say it will be a very tricky match. You get fine, for me personally, I don't go lie for you. Me personally, Ivan Toney not playing for Brentford is a big miss because anytime when they play against us, that guy they always come in handy. Yeah, so for him not to play, I don't think they stand a chance. Now my own personal opinion be that I don't think they stand a chance. Even yesterday when I do the evening show, I can't even do mistake. I think now Brentford will play. I know now West Ham 9 beat us for a cup. I think now even Brentford. So when you check everything where this up, me personally, my own personal opinion, I feel this match supposed to be easy for Arsenal as long as say Brentford no play 10 men behind the ball. Now what's it mean they think? Yes, because I think the last time we played them, that's what knock them 3-0. I can't. But tomorrow, when they do the pre-match analysis or in the morning show, I will not go check their head to head. But I think we actually beat them there. But it is what it is. I don't know what you wanna think. Say in our own prediction, this is Arsenal versus Brentford. Do you think it's going to be as difficult as the likes of Chris Sutton they talk? Because for me, I don't think like if you hear what Gary Neville and Roy Keane talk yesterday, they were saying it's going to be a stroll in the park for Arsenal. Yes, Gary Neville they say 1-0, Roy Keane they say 2-1. How is that a stroll in the park? But then they feel say Arsenal have the firepower, needed firepower because everybody's back now. Odegaard is back. So what's the complaint? Alright, so another thing we're going to find out now is say El Neni and Jorginho, their contracts they expire at the end of the season. That is 2024. You know, say El Neni initially that 1 year they still give up. So the question now becomes at the end of the season now, should Arsenal go come give this extra 1 year extension? Because for me, I would have felt it is the perfect opportunity for us to rejig our squad. Yes, because look at what Liverpool is doing. We could not go suffer from what Liverpool suffered in the past, where they get aged midfielders. the thing gonna affect the way they play last season. We make the con chatter, Dominic Szoboszlai, and there's this McAllister. Like it just they buy. It gets. Are they very happy with the way they buy? Like they really bought well for the future. So we say for the summer we need to make sure say because when you remove and then they remove Georgie, what's it remain? Only Declan Rice now. Because part of don't go now. Only Declan Rice now the only person going for that midfield. So we need to sign some new people, new faces. Now the way me I see am about because of this financial fair play, I don't know whether the money will be readily available for them Mateta to come do what we want them do. So in that stead, the figure going to give El Nene 1 more year again. The figure going to give Jorginho 1 more year again. So we'll just watch as everything will unfold. Alright, so Scott Minto come and say Ivan Toney actually owes Brentford a stay till the end of the season. But at the same time, say Brentford fans, they know say Ivan Toney time is up at the GTech Community Stadium. Say no be about whether he go leave. Now when he go leave, you get because the question they not saying go leave, but this is the bone of contention. Brentford they tell Ivan Toney say please stay for January, stay till the end of the season. You get one season now, and just like what Brighton tell Moses Caicedo when they want leave, they tell him say Baba chill. We promise you for the summer you go. You get just chill. Now the same thing with Brentford now they tell Ivan Toney because I don't already given the explanation. For January they'll be missing Johan Wissa, they'll be missing Mbuemo, they'll be missing this Onyeka. I think it's Onyeka. I think it's Onyeka. One of their midfielders, so the Nigerian player, that one. So all these people they go miss. They can't come and afford to miss Ivan Toney again. We had to sign all the old striker for January. January, we say transfer window too short. So that's what they are saying. So Scott Minto they say at the end of the day, loyalty is going to come into play. That the guy may decide to just stay. May not be like saying weekend. Will just stay till the end of the season. And that one will come go against certain Arsenal they plan because we say for the fine striker who will sign. Well, we'll just watch. Alright, Robbie Savage. Come and say short. Robbie Savage is the only person why I feel say predicts differently from what everybody they predict. Robbie Savage say in they see Brentford beating Arsenal, and he can't give them reasons. Because also when you check the last 5 games, 5 away games where Arsenal don't play in all competitions, Arsenal only won 1 in all competitions. So in the field say Arsenal never really get themselves this period again. So for that reason, they're going to go for the GTech Community Stadium. It's going to be a difficult atmosphere with the fans cheering the Brentford faithful on. So for that reason, we go see Arsenal capitulate like a pack of cards. Like Baba just talked up. This is prerogative. This is right to speculate anyhow you want to speculate because all these prediction they predict now speculation. So Baba don't talk you on. Well, now make my starts again. We'll see how everything will solve. So by the Arsenal lovers, if you know what else they should check the top left corner of the screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.